So here is a nice portable air pump. This is called the CZK3631, but there are a lot of other different brands that pretty much look the same and do the same thing. So let's open this up. And this one comes with instructions. And this also comes with some attachments if you want to blow up. It's got a needle there if you want to blow up, like a beach ball or basketball or something like that. It has some other attachments for other applications. So this is not just for tires for a car, but this is the primary reason why I use it. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is the body here. It's got this hose with a nozzle attachment for the valve stem of the tire. And then this plugs into the car. So now let's go see how it works. The instructions for this model tell us to turn the car on first. Other models don't require this, but since we're using this model, we'll do what the instructions say. So we'll turn on the car. And then we take the device and we put it into the car's charging station here. See, that red light comes on and lets us know we have power. So now we'll go on to the next step. Attach the hose to the tire stem like so. Get a nice connection like that. So the display gives a readout of 32 psi. I'm doing this in the morning, and the tire specifications say it should be at 35 psi. So we're going to put some air in this tire. Going to press the on switch. Okay, perfect. We're at 35 psi. Now I wanted to show you something else. You see those 3 buttons there? This is also programmable. So instead of me manually putting it on and turning it off, I could have just put it on and programmed it to turn off at 35. And that's it. This is a very nice device. You can carry it in your trunk or in your garage. Thank you for watching.